I'm Reema from GuruNanda team. Today, I'm going to talk about daily oral care tips for people without teeth.
Many people believe that losing all their natural teeth means they no longer need to worry about oral hygiene. But that's far from true. As a dentist, I regularly see patients who are surprised to learn that their gums, tongue, and even dentures require daily care. Whether you wear full dentures or have no replacement teeth at all, maintaining a clean and healthy mouth is still essential. Good oral hygiene helps prevent infections, bad breath, denture irritation, and even serious conditions like oral cancer. So, you have to follow some daily oral care tips. Clean your gums, tongue, and mouth. Use a soft bristle toothbrush or damp gauze to gently clean your gums, tongue, cheeks, and the roof of your mouth. Do this at least once a day, especially in the morning. This helps remove bacteria and keeps tissues healthy. After every meal, rinse your mouth with lukewarm water or alcohol-free mouthwash. This helps flush away food debris and reduce bacteria buildup. Clean your dentures properly. If you wear denture, remove and rinse them after eating. Brush daily with a denture brush and denture cleanser. Soak them overnight in a proper denture cleaning solution. Never use hot water. It can wrap the dentures. Remove your dentures for 6 to 8 hours each day, ideally at night while sleeping. This gives your oral tissues time to breathe and prevents sore spots and fungal infection. Stay hydrated. Check for changes in your mouth. Look in the mirror daily for sores, red or white patches, swelling, or any unusual changes. Early detection of issues is key. If you notice anything unusual, schedule a dental visit. Don't skip dental checkups. Even with no natural teeth, you should visit your dentist at least once a year. The dentist will check for signs of oral cancer, assess the health of your gums, and ensure your dentures fit well. Just because you no longer have teeth does not mean oral care is behind you. It simply looks a little different now. A clean mouth supports comfort, better nutrition, fresher breath, and overall well-being. By following these simple tips and keeping up with regular dental checkups, you can continue to enjoy a healthy and confident smile, dentures or not. Hope you liked this video. Thank you.